Hi boys and girls, welcome to writing. Today's Monday and our learning target is I can use pictures and words to write about an informational topic. So today we're going to look at Pebble Go and we're going to look at turtles. So parents, I want to show you, and some of your children have done this before in class, but they might need a refresher. So after you log into my eClass page, I want you to go down to the online research library and click. This is where you'll find all of our schools and counties apps and different resources. So you're going to scroll down until you see Pebble Go, pink and green, Pebble Go. Click on that. And once it pulls up, you will be able to type in the search bar. Today, I want us to type in turtles, but in the future, you might be using the animals tab, to help you. But today, we have a specific topic of turtles. So I'm going to let each one of these play, just to give you an idea. Pebble Go houses the same tabs for every animal, and for every tab there is a yellow button that they can press that will read to the students. So I'm going to go ahead and play each tab so that we can begin collecting information about turtles so that we can write about them. So listen up so that we can learn about the body of turtles.
A turtle is a reptile with a hard outer shell. Most turtles are green. Some turtles have colorful markings. The largest turtles are 8 feet, 2.4 meters long.
Okay, that was about the body. Let's listen to the habitat of the turtles.
Turtles are found all over the world, except in very cold places. They can live on land and in water. During cold winters, turtles live in burrows.
We're going to listen to the food turtles eat.
Turtles eat grass, leaves, and other plants. Some turtles also eat fish, snails, and insects. Turtles do not have teeth. They crush food with the hard edges of their mouths.
Now we'll click on life cycle.
Female turtles lay eggs on land. They bury them and leave. Hatchlings take care of themselves. Some turtles live up to 150 years.
Okay, so there's a couple of other tabs that you and your student can click on. There's also a video that they get really excited to watch. It's just showing the turtle in its habitat. Feel free to click around and kind of explore. I'm going to go ahead and go back to our lesson for today. So now that we have kind of ran through information that we learned about turtles, we're going to talk about how we can use that in our informational writing. So our topic is turtles. So remember, boys and girls, when we are writing over information, we always write about a real thing or place. We also write to give information to the reader. So we're going to do this together today. So we're going to use the strategy are, can, have, and you'll see that that matches my anchor chart. And typically in the classroom, we would do this together as we were listening to Pebble Go. But for today, I'll do this. I already have it made, and we'll kind of walk through it together. So on the left, this is your graphic organizer that you're going to use throughout your informational writing. On the right, this is the information that you will use specifically for the topic of turtles. So remember that are, can, and have are the words that we use. You will notice that can, have, and are, they're kind of mixed up in their positions. Feel free to cross out and write, what matches the anchor chart, whatever is easier. But please make sure to write the topic because that's super important when writing informational. We are going to look, let me see. Okay, so I want you to use pictures or words to show what turtles can do, what they have, and what they are. So if you need mine, we can always go back right here if you need it. If you don't need it because you listened really well and you were able to remember the information that PebbleGo gave to you, then don't use mine. But here is a really good example for parents and for students to use when they are transferring their ideas from PebbleGo and what they learned over to a graphic organizer. So it might look like this. Turtles, go here, can swim, can lay eggs, can eat plants, can fish, eat fish or insects. Again, the next one, turtles have shells, turtles have tails, turtles have a head, turtles have 4 legs. So you're going to take this information here and transfer it to the graphic organizer. Again, if you need mine, you can use it, but if you want a challenge, have your child just use PebbleGo to transfer information. We will be using this for tomorrow's lesson as well. So good luck. Let your teacher know if you have any questions.